My name is Jatin. Today I am going to draw a perspective drawing. Find it one center from the page, dot it and make it one standing line very lightly, make it one slipping line very lightly. This is the center part. Now this is a one point where I am going to show here and another point going to show here. These are the 2 point drawing. This is also called 2-point perspective drawing, where two vanishing points will be there, one here, two here, and in 1-point perspective it will be in a center. So in 2-point we are describing this as a VP point 1, VP point 2. Now after making one slipping line and one standing line, make it one slanting line merging towards the point like this. One more line going towards opposite side, make it light. One more going towards downside, make it light. One more going towards downside, make it light. Here one diamond shape is ready. Now few more lines which is also going to a slanting point going towards a standing line, one more slanting line, one more slanting line going towards opposite side, one more line again going towards opposite side. Here is our slipping line, that is called as a eye contact line. Same thing here, going towards downside line, again going towards opposite side. Same thing here, our downside one going towards opposite side. Here my lines are ready. Please use your hand, please do not use your scale. Now this one I want to show as a path. इसको मुझे रास्ता बताना है. So I will be not taking a standing line from this point, I will be taking standing line from this point. It goes straight going towards downside, again it is going towards downside, one straight line, one more straight line, one more straight line, one more straight line, one more straight line. I am not going to this portion because I want to show this as a path, or even also you can show as a road, even also you can show as a walking path also. One more standing line, it should be straight. It depends upon you how much you need standing lines. If you need 3, 4, 5, if you need more, then you can also make it more. This is our building position where L shape is going to come. Now this is my walking path. This is my walking path. This is my depth of the walking path. Again same thing here, depth of the walking path. This is my road. This is my road where vehicles will be going. This is my road. I am showing this as a one way. This is my road portion. Again this is my road portion, where here it made such a 4-way. Now this is my walking path, so I am making that as a slipping line. This is my walking area like a Paris street. Going straight. On opposite side, so go it straight. I am giving a strokes, and if I want to show a depth, this is my depth, I'm showing it standing. Towards end point. Same thing here. Going towards center point. Make it standing lines so you can find your depth. Now few lines here also. Now I want to show this as a tower, a clock building, little bit outside, going towards upside, going towards upside, and one clock here, one more clock here, and rest of part I want to show as the buildings. One slanting line, one slanting line, one slanting line, one slanting line. It is a roof of the building. Again same here, roof of the buildings. This will be a gallery. This will be a gallery, and this will be a, even also you can make it one slipping line small for making a door. One standing line, one standing line, one more standing here till the end part of the one point. Here same at the opposite side, one door here, similar one door downside. This is my building part. Now I am going towards another opposite side, one slanting line. I am showing the roof which is leaning down. Same thing, light line here for showing the doors. For doors you need to make it standing lines. Again few doors are downside. After the eye contact line you have to make it door. Here my few buildings is ready. Here if you want to make it some grass level, yes you can make it some grass level. Here my building is going to finish. Here a few tree, if you want to make it you can make it tree. Here the bushes of the tree. Same thing here. This is a point where my city is going to finish. In this drawing 2 points are there where my city is going to finish, and this is the way where I am standing on a four-way. I am standing on a four-way and I am looking it both the way where it is going to finish. This is a way where it finished, and here is a one more way where I finished. I will be standing on the four-way at the center. So I can easily see the building of the last point of the building, even also last point of the building. So this is described as 2 point. This is a 1 point and this is 2 point. Here your 2 point drawing is ready.